In a moment, I'm going to demonstrate the actual cable assembly procedure for a standard RJ45 modular plug on a piece of Cat5 cable. The first step is to cut the jacket off of the cable, exposing the twisted pair. Then separate the pairs. And then you have to untwist the pairs. The next step is to untwist the individual pairs. There are several techniques available. I use a small screwdriver, insert it between the pair, and then pull it through. That makes a nice, clean untwist. I will do the same thing with the rest of the pair, and then straighten them out and put them into the right color pattern. I have now straightened the pairs and arranged them into the proper color configuration, and in most cases that is going to be a 568B termination. You will note from pin 1 to 8 the color pattern is white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. The next step is to cut the cable at the proper length so that it will butt up against the front of the connector. You can judge that by placing the cable alongside the connector and looking at that distance, which is about a ½ inch. You then insert the cable into the connector. And then insert the connector into your crimp tool and crimp the connector onto the Cat5 cable.